In and outdoor living at its finest, and a resort-like style that gives you the feeling of being on a holiday 24/7, 365.
Ladies and gentlemen, cross all the others off your list because this is the one you've been waiting for. Windley Lodge is the perfect family home, complete with a pool, sauna room, games room and even a mini golf putting green.
With 4 double bedrooms and both the master bedroom and bedroom 2 enjoying French doors out to the open gardens. With a high specification throughout, this home sets a new benchmark for luxury living. This is one of those homes you dream of.
The large lounge flows from the dining room and out to the beautiful gardens.
Outdoor living at its finest, with decking and seating areas to enjoy the unrivaled views.
This contemporary family entertainer will leave you breathless.
Whether you want to sunbathe in the private gardens or take a jump in the pool, this property really has it all. As you can see, this stunning home needs to be seen to be truly appreciated.
And if you want to test out the swimming pool and play a game of mini golf, then book your exclusive viewing with the details to follow.